In this video, I will introduce the feature of asset maintenance. Maintenance is a new feature integrated into Sage Fix Assets Tracking that allows scheduling of maintenance events for assets, monitoring of overdue maintenance events, creation of work orders, and tracking of estimated and actual costs of events. Maintenance is only available for subscription and free trial. Let's take a quick tour of maintenance. Access maintenance on the left navigation menu or at the top menu. Use maintenance list similarly to how you would use asset list. The maintenance working area allows you to view your maintenance events as well as export to Excel your maintenance events, create work orders, and modify your events. Customize maintenance list by adding and removing general field or maintenance fields. Customize and use up to 26 asset maintenance specific fields. Create and manage smart list for the maintenance fields. Add a maintenance event to multiple assets from the asset list. Asset detail displays the total of events on the asset. The quick add of a maintenance event and the maintenance event dialog. Track cumulative maintenance and repair costs through the asset's lifespan. Asset review displays on opening a company. Asset review that displays checked out overdue assets and your upcoming maintenance events. Congratulations! You have completed the introduction to asset maintenance.